Ah, hello. Everybody got hungry the other night, so I had to make some food. Never happens to you, I bet. So, we got raspberry Putin threatening to blow up the world, you know. So I've been kind of laying low, you know. Just kind of making food, getting by. Well, the other day I went to a store that sells chickens for $5 each. Yeah, I beat that with a stick. And while I was there on my 100-mile round trip, yeah, I live out in the middle of nowhere. It's 50 miles to the nearest big box store. I visited a store notorious for selling wine for $2 a bottle, too. Yeah, I picked up some goodies. You know, they have these little cucumbers. Love those things. So, what am I going on about? Well, you know, I had leftover cucumbers. I had leftover little tomatoes from that same notorious store that sells wine for $2. I had some red onions. I had some yogurt. I had some tortillas. I had some spices and a pan. So I made us some dinner. What do we got? Well, the first thing I got is Mexican flatbread. Yeah, you throw this on a griddle pan, add a little oil on top, flip it over. While that's browning, you flip a little oil on top, and then flip it over again, and then son of a gun, you got a nice piece of toasted flatbread, naan, whatever you want to call it. What do you do with that? Well, you take some of that leftover $5 chicken, and you take it off the bones, take the fat out of the bottom. Or that gooey, jelly, yeeky, awful stuff. That's flavor juice. Throw that in a frying pan, warm it gently, throw in the meat with little spices, say some ground cumin, some cardamom, little red pepper flakes. You know, you get a nice shawarma-ish, kind of heavily seasoned meat. Little paprika, little garlic, that won't hurt at all either. Oh yeah, what am I waving around here? Well, this is my favorite food container. Yep. Talenti Gelato. Yeah, I'm saying brand names. They're not sponsoring the channel. I just like them. And most of all, I like their containers. Who needs Tupperware? I got ice cream. So, leftover chicken. A little bit of Greek-style yogurt. A little bit of garlic, olive oil, red wine vinegar, shredded cucumber, salt and pepper. Raita, tzatziki, whatever you want to call it. Mix it with your spiced chicken. Throw it on some flatbread. That's pretty good stuff. What else have I got? Well, I got a little... it's not going to show clearly on camera. Cucumber, tomato, red onion, olive oil, red wine vinegar, a little bit of dried oregano, which I like, salt and pepper. Yeah, simple food. You know, it takes 10 minutes. Takes 10 minutes. Takes 10 minutes. Throw them all on a piece of flatbread, flour tortillas. And if you have any leftovers, have some ice cream. Yeah, dinner. It's that easy. Mrs. Chef wanted me to remake this one because it's one of her favorites and she doesn't think that it got enough press. So here we are. Mrs. Chef's food. That's it. This is social media. Please be good social citizens and subscribe. And most of all, play with your food. You know, it's only dinner. If worst comes to worst, you can have a ham sandwich. I've been playing with some food, some of which did not turn out. Ooh. Don't say black bean eggplant around here. That won't get you any favors. So that's it. Social media, please subscribe. Be good citizens. Thank you. Goodbye.